Hey guys, what's up? It's Hayleigh. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today I am vlogging a trip to the pumpkin patch with two of my friends. So let's do it. I just got to Abbie's house where I'm meeting Abbie and Kenzi before we go to the pumpkin farm. So let's go inside. Let's go see her. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
I'm vlogging. Hey guys.
Hello. Okay, we are going to Eckert's. How many times have we and me and Kenzi been to Eckert's? It's none of their business.
Oh.
5 times, 4 times, 8 times.
Definitely.
You don't know.
15. This year.
We've been to Eckert's so many times, but never actually picked pumpkins.
I'm proceeding
So
to
But today we are picking pumpkins.
we are picking pumpkins. And
Okay, well, we will see you guys when we get to Eckert's. Okay, we just got here.
yeah, and we had the best jam sesh ever. We went from, wait, what did we start with? Oh, we went from Megan Trainor to Alexander Hamilton to Honky Tonk the Donka Donk.
Did you know that I recorded you?
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, good, because I was jamming.
Yeah. Should go.
Way to go.
Okay, here we go. Okay, we made it.
Hello.
We did it. Oh. Hello.
Hello. Okay. My mask makes me sneeze. It does. It's so fuzzy in here. Look.
We just took pictures. Wow, look at my eyes. Wow.
We just took pictures and now we're gonna have chicken tenders
With fries, because their fries are really good.
with fruit cups.
no fries.
Fruit.
Look at all these. They're good.
Hayleigh is so cute.
Yes, she is.
Oh, wait, can we sit?
It's an hour.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah. So we're
Did you do it?
Wait,
Okay,
when
let's
do-
go
when
meet
do
the
we-
goats.
When do we make our pumpkin reservations?
4-4. We have 2 hours.
Okay.
So when we're done eating, we go do pumpkins.
Yeah.
Did they take your number?
Yes, they're gonna text me.
Okay.
Okay. We'll see you when we're with the goats.
Look at this.
Don't tell anyone, okay?
He said, "Oh, I got the good stuff."
You can have it.
Uh-oh.
It's right
He's
here.
like a teddy bear. Oh, Abby.
Oh, here they come. Here. Hi.
Oh, you should have got that.
Do it again. That scared me. Sorry. I'm sorry. Is it poop?
No. Action.
We just ordered our food and we're way before schedule.
Yes. Yeah. They told us it would be ready in an hour, and that was.
Like 30 minutes.
Yeah, it was ready in like 30-ish minutes. So we're thriving.
I'm gonna tell them what I got. So I got chicken tenders, and instead of fries, I got fruit. And Kenzi, she got, instead of a salad, she asked for mashed potatoes.
Team mashed potatoes.
Team fruit cup.
What did I get? I got pulled pork
And pulled pork sliders and mac and cheese.
and mac and cheese. I'm so excited about the mac and cheese. I love mac and cheese.
Oh, I feel like I was just watching your YouTube through the phone.
Okay, so yeah, we're just waiting on our drinks.
For drink, I got sweet tea.
Root beer.
I got pink lemonade.
And I got chicken and dumplings.
Have you ever had it?
Yeah.
From here?
No. Yeah.
I've never had chicken and dumplings.
What are dumplings? They're like
They look like a dumpling.
they're like bread or like kind of like noodles but like thicker.
Yeah, it's like
It sounds
I
like
don't-
poop, like dump. Like, it's like chicken and then they're poop.
Okay, also, hold up. So we were walking to our table, right? And we get stopped by this person asking where I got my shoes because she thought they were cute. Well, I'm really bad about ever knowing where I got things because most of the time it's from like TJ Maxx or something. And so I said that, you know, I was like, I don't really know. I'm not good about knowing where I got things. And it's probably from TJ Maxx. And the look on her face.
She goes, oh.
Literally, like, so disappointed. I felt judged.
But she
Hardcore.
thought your shoes were cute, so why does it matter where you got them?
Right, no,
You
she was
got them at freaking
Yeah.
Goodwill, and they're
literally,
so cute. Like,
literally. It sounds like this thing's about to fall over. Okay, here comes our waiter. Gotta go. Here's Kenzi's chicken and dumplings. We're not sure what this is, so if you know, let us know in the comments. She's sad.
They gave me cantaloupe.
She doesn't like cantaloupe, so.
Cantaloupe. And that's literally,
Here's mine. I already took some bites. And then Abbie said, wait, we have to show them our food. Thank you. Yummy. This mac and cheese. Thank you. Enjoy. Then you started laughing. Okay, so this mac and cheese is smacking hard. How's your chicken and dumplings?
My mashed potatoes, 10 out of 10.
Oh, yes. How's... Look at her face. Look at her face. Look at her face.
Hey, chicken is good. You're being bad.
Chicken. Yummy, yummy. Waiting in line.
Hi. We got that.
How you feeling? She ate a sucker. That's why her mask's not on. Rona. All right, we'll see you when we're getting on the thingy, the tractor. Guys, look, there's our tractor. It's coming.
Awesome sauce.
Yeah.
Do my eyes look pretty?
Yes. Whoa. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. Go, do it harder. Hit it harder. Get it. Come on. Hang on, let me try. You come record.
You better catch it.
No promises.
It's gonna hit her in her noggin.
in the noggin.
You got it. You got it.
You gotta be more aggressive, hey?
No, not that. Come on. You gotta hit it. You gotta hit it.
Come on, buddy.
You better be ready to catch it! Hayleigh!
It broke. Those beautiful apples. Look at these. We need them. Okay, but look how high up they are. She's climbing. Oh my god. Guys, look how massive this apple is. It's literally huge and it's amazing. Okay, I have to put this down so that I can get that apple. Okay, bye. Wait. We have this, but we might have to go on the
We won't fit.
Oh
wait, yeah we will.
Yeah, okay, cool. So there is pink ones.
Maybe.
Yeah, he said we could find pink ones out here. So we better find pink ones. If we don't, I'm gonna be sad. Abbie, you're the cutest, did you know?
Yeah, we got dust
You're the cutest.
Come on, bud.
Yes. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm
Look how far out we are. Oh my god. Okay, do it.
I'm not tired.
She's on a freaking mungo pumpkin. Do it. 3, 2, 1. Pow!
That is so good.
Whoa! Man down. Kenzi, your turn.
I wanna
Okay, so I just need to show you. Look, this kid is like probably 5, you think?
Yeah.
He's rolling this freaking 45-pound pumpkin.
I'm sure you'll get there.
We're waiting in line for the tractor to come back and get us. Look how cute it is. Really why I started this video is because I wanted to update you guys on the kid that's rolling the mungo pumpkin. Oh, I spotted him. Look, right there. Right there. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Here we go. Good job, buddy. Keep it up. It's so close. Keep going. Woo! Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa! That was the most wholesome thing I've ever experienced. Everyone started cheering for him. I love it. I'm so happy. Good job, buddy. You're doing so good. Woo! Yeah!
Guys, if I hit a good bump, I'm
She's gone.
like, I'll be sprinting back on you.
We got a sleepy girl over here. We're having a blast though. This guy's kind of driving fast. Alright, we'll see you guys when we're checking out, I guess.